Hello students, so today we will discuss exercise 4.2 chapter 4 quadratic equation. Okay, so question number first is find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Okay, so question number first is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So for finding it by factorization method, first we have to take LCM of 10. Okay, so LCM of 10 will be 2 and this 5. So we have to multiply these two numbers such that we get here the sum or difference as 3. Let's see, 5 into 2 is equal to 10 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So here x square minus, in bracket we can write as 5x minus 2x and this minus 10 is equal to 0. This 3x we can write as 5x minus 2x. Okay, now when bracket will open, this minus will multiply in this plus will give minus 5x, and this minus when multiply with minus 2x, this gives us plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we will take common. So in these two terms x is common. If we take out x from x square, what we get? X. And if we take out x from minus 5x, what we get? Minus 5. Now here we can take 2 common. If we take out 2 from x, what we get? X. And if we take 2 from minus 10, what we get? 5 is equal to 0, because 5 2 are 10. Okay, now this whole term x minus 5 and x minus 5 is common, so we will take x minus 5 as common. If we take x minus 5 out, what we will get? Here only x. And if we will take x minus 5 common from here, what we will get? Only 2 is equal to 0. Now in small classes we know that a into b is equal to 0, so a will also be 0 and b can be also be 0. So here x minus 5 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 5 will go that side 5, and x plus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 2. So these two are our answers. Okay, so this is called factorization method. See one more question, question number 2. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, now here also we will check. See, in that question there is no coefficient for x square. Here is coefficient for x square. In this case we have to multiply the constant term c, as quadratic equation is in the terms of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So first we multiply a into c and then take LCM. So a into c, 6 into 2 12. Now we will take LCM, 2 6 2 3 3 1. Now see, 2 2 4 and 3 12. It means 4 into 3 is 12 and 4 minus 3 is 1. And here we want 1 only. So we can write as 2x square 4x. We can write this x as 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, as 4x minus 3x will give us x. Now see the common terms. We will get common 2x. If we take out 2x from 2x square, we get only x. If we take out 2x from 4x, we get plus 2. Now if we take minus 3 common, so if we will take minus 3 from minus 3x, we get only x. And if we take minus 3 from 6, we get plus 2. Now with these two are common terms, so take common as x plus 2, and in another bracket what we will get? 2x and minus 3. Now take x plus 2 is equal to 0 one time, so x is equal to minus 2. and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 2. This 2 is in the multiplication form. It will go that side and give you divisible form. So these two roots are our answer. These are our answer. Let's see some problem questions based on this exercise. Okay, so first one is, let's see first one. John, question number 2, first part. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles is 124. Find out how many marbles they had to start with. Okay, so first of all we have to let the number of John's marble be x. Okay, so if John's marble is x and total number of marble is 45, because together they have 45 marbles. Okay, so therefore number of Jivanti marble will be 45 minus x. Okay, because together they have 45. So after losing 5 marbles, so number of John's marble will be decreased by 5, because they have, so first of all it was x, now it will be x minus 5, and number of Jivanti's marbles, so first of all it has 45 minus x, now minus 5 will be deducted, so it is 40 minus x. Okay, now according to question it is given that the product of their marble is 124, so x minus 5 and 40 minus x product give us 124. Now multiply this x and write whole 40 minus x. Now take minus 5 and 40 minus x is equal to 120. Now multiply x with 40, so 40x, multiply x with x, so minus x square, multiply 5 minus 40, so 5 4 20, so it is 200, and minus 5 minus minus we will get plus, and 5x is equal to 120. Okay, take this all terms to that side. So if we get x square in positive, this 40x and plus 5x, so this will give us minus 45, and 200 in positive and 124, so this is 324 is equal to 0. So it has been formed one quadratic form, as quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we will take LCM of 324. Okay, take LCM of 324. So 2 1 6 and this is 2. Okay, now 2 8 1, now 3 2 7 3 3 3 and 9, 3 3 and 3 1. Okay, so we get this as an LCM. So 3 3 9 3 27. So we have to find 45 here. Okay, So let's see, 4, 4, 3, 12, 12, 3, 36, and 36 and 9. See, 36 and 9 is 334, and 36 plus 9 is 45. Okay. So we can write here as x square minus 45x, we can write it as 36x plus 9x is plus 324. Okay. Now x square, when we will open the bracket here, this positive will become negative, so minus 36, and this positive will also become negative, so minus 9x plus 324 is equal to 0. Not in these both terms x is common, so x minus 36. See, if we take x from x square, what we get? X, and if we take x from minus 36x, what we get? Minus 36. Here minus 9, if we take common, so it will get x, and minus 9 3 27, and 5 6 54. Okay, so x minus 30. These two are common terms, so we can take at x minus 36. So in second bracket, what we get? X minus 9 is equal to 0. Now if x minus 36 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 36, and x minus 9 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 9. So we get one value of x as 9 and one value of x as 36. Now we have let the number of John's marble as x and Jayanti's marble as 45 minus x, and here we have two values of x, as x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 36. So let's write here John's and here Jayanti's. Okay, so if we put x value 9, so 9 marble is for John's, and Jayanti will be 45 minus 9, what it get? 36. And if we put John's marble as 36, so Jayanti will be 45 minus x, 45 minus 36, and 9. So if John have 36, if John has 9 marbles, so Jayanti will have 36, and if John has 36 marbles, so Jayanti will have 9. So this is our final answer. Some more questions are there in this exercise. Try to solve yourself. If you face any problem, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.